This is Randy Schulenburg with Schulenburg Realty, and I'm back here at the D.R. Horton model homes. These are the townhomes, and there are two models, the Lincoln and the Garfield. And if you are interested in what is available here, they still have a lot of inventory, but it's moving quickly in this environment. And when you do come and visit this place, please make sure that you give me a call, and I will be sure to give you an opportunity to visit the models. So this is the Lincoln, and that's the Garfield, but you'll be coming into the garage areas like this. And when you come in, you have a lower level here, which is beautiful. And then you'll come in, if you had guests, through the front door here, who would then come up the stairs to your main level, which is just beautiful. It's very open floor plans. Everybody that I take over here really enjoys these models and the tours. They have quite a few that they're building. Still have some very good incentives. So if you're interested in that, I can let you know what those incentives are. They change all the time. And when you reach out to me and we work together on this, you'll have buyer representation, and I'll make sure that you are able to get everything that they're offering, including appliances and discounts on your closing costs. Every home is also set up with a smart home system, and you can access that with an app on your phone. Even the ability to open and close your garage door if you have a smart Wi-Fi garage door opener. Upstairs is the laundry. It's really nice having that on the second floor where your bedrooms are, so no more lugging clothes up and down the stairs. And this is the master bedroom. Really spacious for a townhome, and it does have your own master bath. Now there's no tub in this one, but there is a tub in the hallway bathroom. The walk-in closet is also a really nice size. When you do come through, you have two more bedrooms back here. This one is currently set up as an office, and believe it or not, wallpaper is coming back. So you'll see a little bit of wallpaper on here, not on every wall, but it's pretty popular right now to be putting wallpaper on one wall, and this one is really tasteful. And what's really nice about townhome living, as you can see down here, you have your lawn care and snow removal being taken care of for you, as well as exterior maintenance and common insurance on these properties. You're also a part of a community called Cambridge Lakes, which has access to a clubhouse, which has an outdoor pool, and then indoor areas for basketball, a fitness center. Just a really nice community. So if you're interested in new construction, give me a call. My number is 224-805-2616, and I would be happy to show you how affordable it is to live here, especially with how low the interest rates are right now.